Why 90% dropshipping businesses fail? It is a harsh truth that 90% of dropshipping businesses fail. In this video, I will discuss the reasons behind this failure and provide solutions. Many fake gurus mislead people into believing that dropshipping is an easy business model. Dropshipping is a business model that can be started with less capital, where you list products on your store, someone places an order, and you directly inform your supplier. The supplier packs and ships the product to your customer, and that's it. Well, no, it's not as easy as it looks. The online gurus tell you the positive side. But what about the real picture? Let me tell you the harsh truth. There are four problems that causes dropshipping businesses to fail. Number one, less profit margins. This is due to fewer card conversions and low profit products. Another reason is bad ad campaigns and targeting the wrong audience. Number two, highly competitive. There are 25.6 million dropshippers globally, and the average profit margin is only 20 to 30%. The reason dropshipping businesses saturated is the low capital needed to start and the absence of inventory, packaging, and shipping problems. Number three, supply chain issues. This problem can seriously affect your business's brand value and reputation. For example, if you get orders but your supplier does not have enough quantity, you lose your brand value and customer trust. Number four, brand presence. Without your brand presence, you are lost in a crowded space. Remember, people buy from trusted brands with an actual good track record. Without brand presence, you are just wasting your money and time. But wait, don't be demotivated. There is always a solution to a problem. Yes, I have solutions for you. Solution for less profit margins. Test ad campaigns, understand your customer needs, keep an eye on trends in your niche, and optimize your ad campaigns. Analyze the visitors to your store. Solution for high competition. Think differently, find trendy and unique products. People buy solutions to their problems or needs. So prove to them that you have the solution and fulfill their needs. Solution for supply chain problems. Build a good connection with your supplier, monitor inventory, check the buy ratio daily or monthly, and estimate your needs. Approach multiple suppliers. Solution for building a brand. Building a brand takes time, but you can use influencer marketing, create a brand presence on social media, ask your customer for reviews and testimonials, and use good quality products. For more information, follow Money Volcano on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. We provide you with a helping hand to make money online.